This tiny home on wheels with an American farmhouse concept is the result of AI prompting that I made as a reference for the same of the steps for building a tiny home to the interior design that I show at the end of the video. Okay, and enjoy watching for everything. American farmhouse is synonymous with bright colors with siding, but in this episode I applied a little accent to the edge of the window door. And with an American farmhouse interior concept like this, what do you think in your opinion? Please write in the comment column below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and see you to the next video. Bye bye.